What is that? Get out of here, brother! Sorry, boy. What we're gonna do, we're gonna fuel up. While we fuel up, we're gonna clean those dirty ass windows. They're pretty bad. These smart ass ones, and these motherfuckers only got water. Come on, PT, do better. You know what, short kings deserve better. What up? Woo. Oh, good. I made it. This is what I've been doing jump rope for, right? Hopefully I'll bust my ass. Ow! Hopefully, seen it. God damn, I'm short. So, right up here. Look at that windshield. Not that part. Look at this part. Damn it, boy. Oh. Oh, boy got close. Let's see how close we get. Shit. Oh, damn, boy. I'll take out cones before I hit this trailer. Money. Alright guys, so looks like we're getting loaded with concrete barriers again. The smaller ones. So see what they say. Oh, they'll tell me when to stop. ¿Cuántos van a ser? ¿Cuántos van a ser? ¿3 o 4? 4. Oh, hell no. So I'm gonna put 2 over here, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I gotta move up. We can load this next one. Alright, so we just finished getting loaded. We're gonna go ahead and pull up to the side over here and strap down. brother. Sorry, boy. Sorry, bro. He's alive, he's alive.
A ver si alcanza a llegar así como llegó usted. Pero se arrancó, ya no supo.
Ok, ahorita le pregunto a este. I had a question, where's the address? Or where are we dumping? Fuck if I know. Cause they didn't send me nothing.
This guy knows right here in the white truck. Let me call this other guy.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then I'll come back right now.
Hold on. He knows where to go.
Okay, I'll just probably wait.
It's 5583 482.
42?
FM 42.
FM 42? 5583 for FM 42.
I remember this.
New Braunfels?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, thank you once.
¿Ya le dijeron o no?
Ah, sí, sí.
Oiga, no.
Ahorita agarro tu número, te mando el porque...
No está bien, pero...
Alright, so we just finished tying down. About to hit the road. Only about 26 minutes away, 14 miles. Come back, do it all over again. Alright, so it looks like I found where we're unloading. Pretty obvious, huh? Let's go ahead and park, unstrap, get out of here and go for another load. God damn, this one's even worse. Unless it was meant to be like that, but I doubt it. Look how this one landed. Alright, so after we roll all these straps up, we're gonna go ahead and back up, get unloaded, and we'll be good to go. Anytime you're loading these concrete barriers, you always want to make sure you come check your trailer, because you never know when this is gonna happen. So it's a good thing I checked. Buddy?
They'll probably end up moving, y'all.
Oh yeah?
That machine is not...
Oh, it's not working?
It keeps throwing codes on it and shit. And
yeah?
they already came and looked at it. And,
So we just wait?
yeah, we're just gonna have to wait.
I thought y'all were gonna come back and I wasn't gonna be here. I was gonna be asleep and y'all were gonna be all pissed, but I'll probably just take a nap then.
Hell yeah, take a nap. I'll wake you up. I'll wake you up. Yeah.
Alright, Houston, we got a problem. So I had to disconnect my pigtail because a little while ago this thing got caught under this plate. With the pigtail got caught up on this thing right here. I guess when I was turning. And check them out. When I was turning, I pulled out the wires, so it's disconnected now, so it shouldn't short anything out. So while that is while I wait for a pigtail, I'm gonna go ahead and tie down until they get here. No, hombre, se chingó el cable de la trailer.
¿Cuál?
El verde, el pigtail. Se enganchó aquí, mira.
¿Y no está la esa? ¿No está la cosa?
Ahí está.
Ah, acá está.
Ya le hablé, me dijo que iba a venir ahorita a ver si trae otro.
¿A tu botón?
Ya. Ni modo, right?
No, pues así no puedes.
Ya, no. Sin
No
luces. No tengo pinzas. No tengo pinzas.
No te piensas.
¿No se abre de adentro? ¿Y la cama no se sube? Así no está fácil, ¿no? Con un tubo. Yellow is Joe.
Did my brother get you that picture or no?
No, not yet.
Alright, well, I'm just gonna pick one up right here at the yard and then I'm gonna be on the way.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.
Thank you.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
It's over around here somewhere, so.
Oh, the other guy?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the lights so you can check them real quick. Alright. He's checking my lights. I go? Alright. So all the lights are working. Let's go ahead and hit the road. Alright, so we just finished our last load of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and unstrap these. That way we can get unloaded, get our ticket signed, and go home. Alright, so we're just about finished. Gonna go ahead and reverse. So he tells me to stop. They're gonna unload these last two barriers off my trailer, sign my ticket, and get out of here. Or you fill it out, or how does it work?
Yeah, I'll fill it out.
Okay, cool.
I don't know the other dudes.
Huh?
Come back because they're working.
Alright, good to go. Let's get out of here, baby. Ooh. Forgot my watch, but let's see, 4:40. Just made it to the yard. Parking, gonna do my post trip. Get out of here. That was a good day, thank you God. You know we got old Dusty, and we can't forget these because the old lady don't like that. Once again, I forget to turn off the lights. Joe, what am I gonna do with you? Oh yeah, I have one more question. What do you mean what?
Yes, sir.
How fast can you come outside and give me a kiss? Oh, that was so slow today. Today it was so slow.
Because my legs were hurting. Because at PE, they started hurting whenever I was running.
Hi, pretty lady.
Hi.